As we proceed to give you what you need. Classic. We used to call that a punch buggy. Used to see one of those as a kid. Your friend would punch you in the arm. Make sure you had to say punch buggy. He said he wanted to hear it. Gave him a little something something. Let him hear something, a little something something. But I'm just coming out. It's kind of late. It's 5 something. Just been out maybe half an hour. I seen you smiling at me, baby. I seen you peeking, boo. Peekaboo. Can't see the light. Tall man like you should be able to look right in the light. Red, what's going on, Red? Shop, Molly get pop, whole place get hot. Hi, baby. Them no bad like misty on the gut now. Oh, check the girls out in the black. Come on, baby. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Just because you got on all white, I'll let you pass. Looking good in all white. Letting them pass anyway.